Good afternoon, Turks and Caicos. This is the 3-day public weather forecast brought to you by the Turks and Caicos Islands National Weather Service. The general situation for today? The Turks and Caicos Islands remain under the influence of a broad ridge of high pressure. Special warnings: a plume of Saharan dust is headed towards the Turks and Caicos Islands and is expected to impact the islands by tomorrow until the end of the week. Residents with respiratory conditions should reduce prolonged or strenuous outdoor exertion to avoid respiratory discomfort. The weather for today: mostly cloudy with isolated showers possible today into tonight. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 15 knots, increasing to 15 to 20 knots tonight. Seas will be 3 feet or less, increasing to 3 to 5 feet. The daytime high temperature will be 88 degrees Fahrenheit, and the heat index will be 99 degrees Fahrenheit. The overnight low temperature will be 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Sunset will be at 7:32 p.m., and the next high tide will be at 1:42 p.m. The next low tide at 7:47 p.m. The extended forecast: fair and relatively stable weather is expected to persist over the next couple of days as the islands remain under the outskirts of the high pressure ridge. The forecast for Thursday: weather will be partly cloudy and hazy with a high near 90. Partly cloudy with isolated showers possible at night with a low around 82. Winds will be east to southeast at 10 to 20 knots, and seas will be 2 to 4 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:05 a.m. and sunset at 7:32 p.m. The forecast for Friday: weather will be partly cloudy with isolated showers possible with a high near 89. Partly cloudy with isolated showers possible at night with a low near 81. Winds will be east to southeast at 15 to 20 knots, and seas will be 2 to 4 feet. Sunrise will be at 6:05 a.m. and sunset at 7:32 p.m. The tropical weather outlook: an elongated area of low pressure over the Florida Peninsula is producing a large area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. Some slow development is possible while the system moves northeastward offshore of the U.S. southeast coast tonight through late week. The chance of formation through the next 7 days are low. A broad area of low pressure could form over the weekend across the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Chance of formation through the next 7 days, a low 20%. That is the 3-day public weather forecast issued on Wednesday, the 12th of June, by the Turks and Caicos Islands Weather Service. The next 3-day forecast will be issued on Friday.